Kefir is similar to a liquid type of yogurt. This creamy beverage is packed with beneficial yeasts, which makes it more powerful than simple yogurt for maintaining optimal digestive health. It's also loaded with an abundance of essential minerals and nutrients, including calcium and magnesium. Since kefir is low in cholesterol, sugar, fat and calories, it's certainly healthier than any fruit juice. In today's video, we'll explore both types of kefir and look at some of its health benefits. 1. Improves digestive health. Since kefir is a storehouse of beneficial yeasts and probiotic bacteria, your digestive system will be relieved by its ability to annihilate hostile bacteria. Its probiotics have delivered positive results in treating IBS, diarrhea, bloating, constipation and a host of many other digestive conditions. 2. Boosts the immune system. Kefir can also fortify your immune system by cleaning your body of harmful pathogens. One study revealed that kefir's probiotics can eradicate various infections. 3. Fights harmful bacteria. Many harmful bacteria are prone to hiding out in the digestive tract and are seeking ways to start trouble. Salmonella is one such renegade. Once kefir enters the system, its probiotic strain begins to search and destroy bacteria that can harm us. 4. Fights cancer. Much research has been conducted to determine how fermented foods may help defend us against cancer. Various studies conclude that fermented foods can inhibit cancerous tumor growths, even breast cancer, by reducing carcinogenic compounds. 5. Increases bone density. Kefir provides a healthy way to manage and treat osteoporosis by supplying many nutrients and minerals required for good bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K2. 6. Reduces allergies. Kefir's properties can overpower inflammatory markers that are responsible for respiratory problems such as allergies and asthma. 7. Helps detox. A wide array of food and environmental toxins can create enormous health problems if left unchecked. Fortunately, the bacteria that can be introduced to your body by drinking kefir can destroy these toxins. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.